Louise Simone Bennett-Coverley, known as Miss Lou, was a Jamaican poet, folklorist, actress, and educator whose lifestyle and career defined Jamaican cultural identity. Born on September 7, 1919, in Kingston to Augustus Bennett, a baker, and Corrine Robinson, a dressmaker, Bennett grew up in a vibrant working-class community. After her father's death in 1926, her mother nurtured her love for Jamaican patois and folklore. She attended Ebenezer, Calabar, St. Simon's, Excelsior, and Friends College, where her passion for performance emerged. Bennett's career centered on championing Jamaican patois as a legitimate literary language. Writing her first dialect poem at 14, she dedicated her life to preserving Creole through poetry and storytelling. In 1945, she became the first black student at London's Royal Academy of Dramatic Art, RADA, on a British Council scholarship, studying drama to teach in Jamaica's rural areas. Back in Jamaica, she worked with the Jamaica Social Welfare Commission, collecting folklore that enriched her work. Her performances, often in traditional Jamaican attire, captured the essence of Jamaican life. Radio shows like Caribbean Carnival, BBC, 1945-46, Miss Lou's Views, 1965-82, and The Lou and Rani Show made her a beloved figure. Her children's TV show Ring Ding, 1970-82, shared folk tales, while her pantomime roles with Rani Williams earned her the title Queen of Jamaican Theatre. Her poetry collections, such as Jamaica Labriche, 1966, and Anansi and Miss Lou, 1979, and albums like Jamaican Folk Songs, 1954, showcased her wit. She influenced artists like Harry Belafonte, contributing to his hit, Day-O. Bennett's lifestyle was rooted in Jamaican culture. Married to Eric Coverley from 1954 until his death in 2002, she raised a stepson, Fabian, and adopted daughters. In 1987, they moved to Scarborough, Ontario, where she continued performing for Canadian audiences. Her accolades include the Order of Jamaica, 1974, Order of Merit, 2001, and honorary doctorates from the University of the West Indies and York University. Miss Lou died on July 26, 2006, but her legacy endures through archives at the National Library of Jamaica and McMaster University, inspiring poets like Linton Kwesi Johnson. Her work instilled pride in Jamaican patois, proving its literary value. Subscribe to this channel to explore more about Jamaican cultural icons like Miss Lou.